Hello guys. So today I'll be unboxing the 737-800 United. So stay with me so you can see me build the 737. This is a 1:130 scale. So it's pretty big. It's a narrow body aircraft, if you couldn't already tell. So we got the first wing on the plane. And then the second wing, and also look at how detailed these engines are. Like, these are so detailed. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, you can see. I don't think you can move them. Wait, yeah, you can, but you gotta have like small fingers. And then we have the second wing. Let's see. I got the second wing on. Look at this. This is what it looks like so full. It looks pretty I don't know. It's already starting to look good. So then I'm gonna put the elevators on there, and so you guys can see it, right? So now we got the elevators on. Now we gotta get the engines on. I'm suspecting that this one goes to this one. Just gonna slide that in. There we go. Look at this. And then we still need to put the tail on. The tail is right here. So now I'm gonna put this on. Slip it right on. And then I'm gonna put the tail. Let's see. There we go. I completed the plane. If you're wondering, no, this sadly does not have any landing gear. And this is what the plane looks like now. I'll put it without the plane holder. This is what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like with the plane holder. This is the 737. I hope you guys had a great time watching and helping me unbox this masterpiece. I hope you have a great day, and join Flightstream X's Discord. Bye bye everyone.